Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to the opening and reading of the bills under Section 58 of RA 12009, otherwise known as the New Government Procurement Act and its implementing rules and regulation for the project 25GF00018, procurement of 45 metric tons cold mix asphalt all-weather with PR number 2026-06-107 dated June 29, 2026, for assistance in road maintenance materials of the district engineering offices for the routine activities of national roads and bridges, DPWH Regional Office 5, Old Airport Road, Barangay 40 Cruzada, Legazpi City. Please be informed that no prospective bidders submitted their bids either online or electronically per the 87 series of 2020. Likewise, no late submission of bids was noted. So, before we proceed, we would like to recognize all here present for today's activities, starting with myself as the back chairperson, Attorney Molina Bataga, also the Chief of the Right of Way Acquisition and Legal Division. On my right is Dr. Chidora Piro Santas, back Vice Chairperson, Chief of the Administrative Division. On my left is Engineer Benjamin J. Puente Jr., back Regular Member, Chief of the Quality Assurance and Methodology Division. Engineer Arnett L. Sanson, back Provisional Member, Chief of the Maintenance Division. Ms. Jeannie M. Bolon, back Provisional Member from Administrative Division, and Engineer Raymond Pacific Garcia, back Assistant PWG, Assistant Chief of the Maintenance Division. And we also have here observer from the COA Regional Office 5, Mr. Jude Riones. Okay, so to continue, sir, please assist me po in reading the bills. Bidder, KCX Supply Wholesaling.
ID 25GF00018. We have a loan leader, KCX apostrophe supply. PDF's registration valid until March 2, 2027. Registration particulars, DPI, will expire on August 20, 2029. Business permit will expire on December 31, 2026. Tax clearance will expire on February 16, 2027. The audited financial statement was filed on April 23, 2026. List of ongoing and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. The document is signed, but as of the moment, wala sila. No private contract and no government contract. Then statement of completed, which are similar to the contract to be bid. Document is signed. Ito na rin yung kanyang SLCC, amounting to 9,975,518 pesos and 96 centavos. Name of contract in particulars, yung owner's name, nature of work, supply and delivery, main supplier. With supporting notice of award, contract agreement, inspection
Yes, sir.
and acceptance report. Then the IPR with filing reference number submitted electronically, and the independent auditor's report, NFCC computation, 254,130,396 pesos and 75 centavos. NFCC. Then technical component of the bid, the security with securing declaration, signed and notarized. Technical specification, indicating building compliant, signed. Schedule of requirements, delivery period 60 calendar days. Warranty certificate issued by the manager of PCX Apostrophe Supply. The brochure. After sales service, sole proprietor. Okay, omnibus term statement. Authority of the signatory as a sole proprietor complied, not blacklisted in the new format. Authenticity to verify disclosure of no relationship. price of goods offered within the Philippines. Document is also signed. And recurring and maintenance costs, not applicable actually. Okay. So bid. 5,084,100 pesos only. 5,084,100.00. Sa bid form ba natin sa goods, may nakalagay talaga doon na discount? Kasi may discount siya, 2%.
Sa goods po, sa
Yung form niya dito sa TV. Okay na ito. Okay na, form ng bid niya. Yun na yung bid niya. 5,084,100.00. Ilan?
negative 0 po. The road is a bench, the road eligible and complies with ACX.
May discount, 2% discount.
From the
Ah, ang fault niyan is from the ABC pagka hindi declare ko. Sana ang basis.
2%.
Tama ba?
Automatic ka na.
Hindi pa sa ABC. Hindi sa bid. Sa ABC ano?
Automatic. Hindi 2% pala.
2%.
Ano na ngayon yung
2.0.
2.10.
From the
Zero.
the total variance will be negative 2%. And the final bid amount is 4,987,431.
2%.
Thank you.
One.
The low eligible and complying bidder, PCX, supposed to supply wholesaling, will undergo the evaluation under section 61 of 41-069 expire R, and it can be the lowest eligible distinction undergo evaluation under section 63 of the same law. So that concludes the opening and reading of the bids for contract item number 35 GX.
Natin na ba 2%?
So there being